Hey guys, welcome back. So I am waiting for the painters to come. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this cubby upstairs because I need to get it from down here and I want to just do it before they come. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and hopefully they'll be showing up any minute now. Alright, so I just put them in his cave for now. So yeah, he's not here right now, so I'm just gonna sit them here until the painting is done, and I'll come back up here and just like place them where they need to be. So the painters are here. I can see the ladder.
This is what we gotta paint. See this on the outside, right there, to here, right here. You gotta bring it down like halfway to the bottom of that window. And she can reach from the bottom of the window down.
You have to put your table right there, right?
What?
Table right there.
No, she gonna paint this.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm saying. See, you don't have to paint. That's why I said bring it to the bottom of the window. She gonna finish. We only doing the high part where she can't get. The part, the low, all of this down here, she can get. So all we doing is bringing it from the top where she don't feel comfortable on the ladder, and bringing it down to where she can handle it herself. So we're not gonna paint everything.
No, that is the ladder I need. I'm gonna need this ladder to replace that chandelier too. So I'm probably gonna have to just buy one. But yeah, I'm not gonna do that anytime soon.
I guess we should paint outside of that. We can paint the outside of this one.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I'll put it in here.
So if you guys are in the Hampton Roads area and you want a great price, this is who you need to call.
Once again your phone says that you're busy, and all my texts are falling to the ground. Once again you tell the same old story. Yeah, telling me sure to stop with all the doubt. Not having no illusion, you're gonna lose me. Finally I've taken enough, 'cause you're all delusion, play confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up, and it's your karma, you're gonna learn just how to lose. Taking back the me I used to know well, that I lost somewhere along the line. You let me fall from grace into a black cell, but now I'm breaking free. But I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. You're gonna learn just how to. What goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, comes around, round, round.
Anything you see we need to do?
Oh no, it looks good. Very nice. Thank you for coming this far up. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you for coming. All right, I'm gonna leave the clean up to you. I'm gonna hang it on and start taking on tomorrow.
Alright guys, so I have the area painted. I'm so excited. It looks so good already and it's not even done. So let me show you guys what they did. They gave me a really good price and they hooked me up. They did more than expected for the price. So I'm like super excited. I'm so excited right now because they did not have to go all the way up. Okay, let me show you guys because I was telling you I only need help with the upper part because I have a ladder, but it's not big enough to, it's not high enough to get, you know, all the way to the top. So when I got the estimate done, it was for, you know, halfway, not the entire wall because I can't reach, you know, down here. I just needed someone to come out and help me with this area and stop like right here. Stop right here and then I could just take my ladder and finish it off. But they just went ahead and finished it off. They did this wall here, this wall here, which was not, you know, a part of the estimate. They went ahead and knocked this out, all of that. So I don't even need to get on my ladder to get any of this area, which would have been somewhat scary anyways, just, you know, me doing it by myself and getting on the ladder to get all the way up there. So I'm just like super excited right now because they really hooked me up. I'm so excited about that. This is one coat. This is, let me show you guys the paint that I used because this is seriously one coat paint. So I got it from Lowe's. It's the HGTV Sherwin-Williams line, the showcase, and I'm loving it. I am loving it, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, my home is looking so much better already with the gray. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up, guys. Let me put you on the tripod and finish painting because I'm just like in the zone now. I'm excited and I just want to be done with it because I only have this area. Let me show you guys what I'm going to paint right now. So I'm going to just hit up the rest of the wall on both sides. And then I'm going to, you know, just finish the entryway and the hallway here. And then I'm going to stop. But you know what? Maybe I shouldn't say that because in the previous video, I said I was only going to do the family room and the kitchen. No, I think at first I said I was going to do the family room and then I ended up doing the kitchen. And then I decided to go ahead and hit up the hallway area. And now the entire entryway is about to be done when this was supposed to be a family room makeover. Now it's like a whole house makeover. I'm going to have to change the title of this series to, you know, house makeover instead of family room because yeah, I'm just in the zone, guys. I'm just in my zone and I'm gonna be really decorating all of these rooms.
Heart's beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. You know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and run, all the song. Don't care if I get out alive. Feel that beat getting harder, floating on, and we're rebels at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. You know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win
Alright guys, so I am done painting for now. The entryway is done. So happy about that. I still need to do upstairs, but I'm not gonna do that today. And I need to get my floors done. I have to get rid of this carpet. It's just like so gross, and no matter how many times I go and deep clean it, it always ends up looking like this because, you know, I have kids. It's a high traffic area. And I'm gonna get the rails done as well because I just need to update the color. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, guys. And I hope you enjoyed watching this process. We're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. The family room makeover is next. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.